everyone, today I'm making mango salad with fried rice paper chips. Here you go, fried rice paper chip, very cool looking, huh? Sweet and sour fish sauce dressing and cooked thin sliced pork. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. On this channel, I share with you everything I know, so please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I have a full recipe below in the description box. I have 1/4 of white onions and I thinly slice. You can have half a medium white onion. Now I have 1 tomato. I took out the seeds and I cut into strips. You want this for color. And now the star of the show, the mango. I peel them and I will cut the strips as well. To be perfect in the salad, your mango need not to be ripe. When the mango is ripe, you just eat it like fruits. But when you want to make salad, savory dish, you use the mature mango, or you can get green mango, but almost mature. Mature, not ripe, but don't do too young. So I have about 4 stalks green onion. I cut in about 4 inches and then I slice them thin. It will, when it hit the moisture of the salad, it will curly. Okay, so this is on the vegetables. You need it. I have 300 grams of pork loin and I thinly slice and I season with garlic, crushed garlic, black pepper and fish sauce. You don't need to over season because when you make the salad, it will have the dressing. Now I have about 5-6 Vietnamese mint, coriander, mint, and Vietnamese oregano. Everything I strip out the top stem, just takes the leaves, and I coarsely chop it. You don't want them too thin and finely, they just coarse so that you taste their presence when you eat them. Now let's mix the dressing. I use chili sauce. This chili sauce normally you know not spicy. So if you want spicy, you add 1 or 2 type chili. It depends on the level of your spiciness. So 2 garlics and I grind them in sugar and fish sauce and half of the lemon. I prefer lime, but if you don't have lime, you can use lemon. And you taste it, mixing and tasting until you love the combination. Sweet and sour, spicy, salty. And now I use that dressing dress my vegetables and set it aside. Now to go to the stove now, I heat like a cup or 2 cups of broth, and I drop in my pork slices. As long as they cook, I take out. So never overcook and not undercook. And now the final dress. So I drizzle the dressing over and I taste as I go. And I'm happy with it. I'll set it aside before we go to the finishing. Now I use rice paper and I cut each sheet into 4, and the oil is hot. You need oil hot so that it pops up like this. You rub in and you turn and you remove. Very fast. You see how satisfying when you fry the rice paper chips. With these chips, you can do many things with it. You can put cheese on it. In this case, we eat them with the salad. Now the finishing touches that I sprinkle some toasted peanut on the salad, and the salad is completely done. You see, I scoop some of the salad onto the chips and eat just like this. Oh, you are invited. Very delicious. I'm glad you're here. Hope you like it. Please like, share. Thank you. Bye-bye.